Hello guys, welcome to our channels. In these videos we guide you step by step on how to design a crossover church flyer design using your Pixellab. So let's get started. First, just open your Pixellab on your device. After opening it, click on this dot icon here. Then after clicking on it, click on use image from gallery. Then choose this image, then click on the mark, then delete this new text. So after deleting it, you see, then click on plus, then click on text, then double tap on the new text to write cross over, then click on OK. So then click on this A icon here, then after clicking on it, click on font. So we are using this demo font integrate, then just click on this font, the bold one, then enlarge it a little bit like this, then go to color, then choose black. Then after doing that, go to line spacing to make sure they are close to each other like this. Then you can just enlarge it a little bit small. So then you get something like this. Then after getting something like this, right plus, then right from gallery again. No, sorry. Yes. Then click on the logo of the church. So I'm using this logo. Just reduce it a little bit, then move it, adjust the something here, adjust it to be here. So after adjusting it, right plus, the right text, then tap on the text to write the name of the church. So I'll be writing RCCG Mercy Tabernacle. Sorry, Tabernacle area. Then click on it. And after that, click on the A icon here. Then go to font to set font for it. So I'll be using this font here. No, sorry. So I'll be using this font here. So after clicking on that font, go to color, then choose black. And after choosing black, go to style to choose bold. Click on the bold, so it will be bold a little bit. Then go to size, then reduce the size a little bit. So then position it very well. Position it like this. So after doing something like that, move this crossover a little bit like this. Make sure, yeah, just move it a little bit. So get something like that. Then click on plus, then click on text again. Tap on the text, then write service. Then write OK. Then go to font. Then choose this orthograph font here. Then go to position to position it like this. You just go to color, choose black. So after choosing black, go to size, then increase the size a little bit like this. Then go to position it like this. So you get something like this. After that, just go to plus, then write time, to write the time and the date. So then I'll firstly write the time like this. I'll write 8 o'clock. No, the time is actually, we are starting at 9 o'clock PM. Then click on OK. Click on OK. Then go to font. Go to fonts. Then choose this. Choose this. Choose this. Or choose. Let's choose this area something. Then position it. Position it like this. Position it like this. Position it. So after position it, go to background. Then choose black. So after choosing black, go to color for this. Go to color for this. Go to color. Go to color. Then choose this gold color like this. Yeah, you're going to choose this color. So after choosing it, go to background again. Then increase the, move the left padding like 3. No, that's 5. Maybe 6. Make sure they are 6, both 6. Then make sure they are 9. So after they are 9, decrease the size a little bit like this. Then after that, copy this 9 o'clock. After copying it, edit it again. Then after editing it, write the time. I write the dates, DC. Then write dash 31 dash 2023. Then write OK. So then you get something like this. So after getting something like this, go to color. Then change this one to black. Then go to background. Then change this color to this gold color here. So then you get something like this. Then decrease this size a little bit, like 25, no 20 or 21. Then this one to also 21. Then join it together. Make sure they are both in line with each other. So make sure they are both in line. So you get something like this. So after getting something like this, click on this. Go to layer. Then click on these two both, then move both of them together. So after moving both of them together, write these things, both those that are mainstream. Just write mainstream. Then write pastor. Then write Christopher, the name of the pastor, Emmanuel. Then write brackets PICA, bracket again. So after bracketing it, leave a little space. Then you don't need to leave a little space. Just write venue. Write venue. After writing venue, write the the place we are going to use. So RCCG, Mercy Tabernacle area, Faluye, Ayede. Then click on OK like that. So after doing that, go to font. So go to font. Go to font. Then for the ministry, choose something. Let's use this for the stuff. Then go to venue, choose these two, then go to pastor, then choose this one, then choose this one too, then choose this for, then it's actually okay like this. After doing something like that, reduce the size like this. So double tap to write, don't write dirty. Then go to color. Choose black. Then after that, adjust it a little bit. So after adjusting it, you can now save it. Thank you very much for watching.